Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the truth behind Temu free gifts. Is it a scam or is it the real deal? Now, it's not exactly a scam and it's pretty real, but I think it's just a little bit tiny misleading. Now, when you think of free gifts, you might think that, oh, I'll pick this item and then completely free, sent to me, no strings attached. But of course, it'll have to have some strings attached. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, let's try getting a free gift here, for example. So, if I go to free gifts here, let's see. We can pick item, right? This is gonna be your first get 'em free item, right? Now let's just spin something here, like spin the wheel, for example. Now let's see what we'll get. We'll get a diamond reward, right? So we'll get a diamond reward, pretty lucky. Good thing, diamond reward. And this is my winner, and all items free for me, right? So pretty good, pretty good. Let's pick our free item. The reward are upgraded. Now let's flip for gifts. Let's pick what gift we're getting. 5 free gifts each round. Pretty good, pretty lucky, right? Now we can see it's verifying my free gifts and it's doing this. There you go. Eligibility verified. Pretty good, pretty good. Now let's continue. Eligibility verified. Now let's get ready to claim our free gift. And I'm in the super easy mode, apparently, whatever that means. There you go. Direct to ultra easy mode for some reason. Okay. Not complaining, not complaining. Let's see what we're getting to. Let's continue towards this process and all of these cute animations. Pick 5 free gifts, right? So let's pick our 5 free gifts. Let's pick this one. Cool animation. Now let's pick another one. Let's pick this one, for example. Let's wait for it to load. Sometimes it might be a little laggy. You can see we can also get an extra treasure chest, apparently. The countdown begins. Oh no, we only have 10 minutes to get that extra chest. So let's just hurry up and pick whichever gift we want. Pick the gift. Good thing, good thing. So instead of $4, it's now free, right? Let's close this out. Now let's pick the second one. There you go. Let's pick this free gift. Let's pick the third one now. Of course, we still have a lot of animations to go through here. Pick 3 more gifts. Let's pick this one. Let's pick a shower cap. Let's pick the gift. Pick a color. Now let's pick it. Now let's go with this humidifier as well. Let's pick the gift. Pick a color. I'll go with pink. Now let's do this funny dinosaur nugget pillow as well. Pick the free gift. There you go. Now let's just say pick these. Now it'll say these aren't the free gift. We can also have a returner bonus, apparently. We can get 1 extra free gift, but we get 6 free gifts. That's a lot, right? So let's see. Pick your extra gift. I'm just gonna pick these new shoes. Pick gift. Now let's pick these. Now we'll be prompted to put in our address, right? Now let's click on next step. Now this is where the misleading part sort of comes in. Now let's see what we get here, right? Now it's shipped. We will deliver them ASAP. There you go. Your gifts coming soon. There you go. My gifts address are confirmed. Got the price to $0 to got a great deal. There you go. There you go. There you go. A lot of animations here. To take this 6 gift for free, you only need another $12. So this is where the misleading part is coming. You can see we need to spend at least about $12 to actually claim all of these free gifts, right? Now, these are still free, but it is a little misleading. Now you can see there's the chest here as well. There's a $3 cut. So now instead of spending, we need to spend $12, we only need to spend $9.99. There you go. Things like this. Now, again, this is where the misleading part actually comes in, right? But it's not a scam. It's pretty real, right? You can see, get your free gifts now. Again, let's see. You've got to $7.99. Flip again, flip again. A lot of animation to go through. Got 48 cents here, for example. Again, let's just go through all of these animations and see what we're dealing with. Got another 97 cents, doubled. $9. Now it's from $9 to a perfect rounded $9 here. You've got 2 items priced to $0. Got $9 more to claim all free gifts. Now you can see, this is where the misleading part comes in. Of course, there's a lucky quiz. Just this, I guess. Search gift 111 to come back here, another $1 cut. So now I guess we have to only spend $8. Yeah, only $8. Another broadcast here, 99%, 100%. There's a lot that Temu makes you do. Here, 0.5% cut, 0.5 cents. Another animation here. You'll have to go through a lot to get these free gifts, right? Now it's only $7 more. This is the progress. I just click through this. More animation, ultra easy alt for old timers apparently. You're all old timers. Okay, they all got free gifts. Sure. Got 6 items. You only $7 cut. Short to get 7 free gifts. Go cut more. Let's just click on this. Again, this will run out soon enough. It will stop at around $5 or $3 or $4. So it'll kind of attract you to buy, right? So let's speed this up. Now here, this is where we need to start doing tasks, right? We need to share to cut more our prices and to claim our free gifts. Now again, this is not exactly a scam, but it's not exactly the real deal as well, because there's a lot of tasks you need to do to get this free gift. Take that how you will. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.